drop down list, HTML drop down list. Okay, so to do a HTML drop down list, we'll do something like this. We use a select element. Select, okay, select element. Let's give it an ID of, let's use our normal demo. Okay, inside this our select option, you can see this output here. So any changes you're making, you'll be seeing the output there. So inside our select elements, we add another element, option. This option, this is our option. Now let's name what we want to be listed. So let's say the type of your let's say system, operating system, and operating system. Let me say Windows. Let me say Windows 8. Let me use the word Windows 8. Windows 8. Okay. Let me here. So here, let me say Windows 8. Okay. Okay. Then let's duplicate this and then change the values and the content. Let's just duplicate it. Shift at drop down arrow key. Let's have about 6 options. I think 6 options will be okay. So I have 6 options here now. So inside this place, let's make this one Windows 11, Windows 11, and I did this one Windows 11, Windows 11. Then this one, let's say Windows 10, Windows 10. Let's also do the same thing here, Windows 10. Then let's do this one Windows 7, Windows 7, 7, 7. Okay. Which other Windows again? We have Windows 8, Windows 7. Okay, let's do Windows Vista. It's not necessary. Let's use another operating system. Let's say Linux. 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 Let's say Linux. Say Linux. Oh shit. Okay. Shit. Okay, let's use this thing here. Let's use okay. Let me use OS. So should I use Apple? Macintosh. Let me use Macintosh. Is Apple. Macintosh. So Macintosh. I think I get the spelling correct to just, I don't know, but you know what I mean. That should Macintosh for, or you should use Mac. Let me use Mac. Mac OS. Think it make more sense. Mac OS. Okay. So this is our list. Okay. All right. So I want to add button. I'll add button so that each one you select and click submit, you as in kind of it will get the value of what you select. Okay. So let me do something like that. We are done with our select, so we have to create a button. For drop down list is complete now. We just want to make it more, want to go further to explain it more. So okay, if you click here now, you see the drop down list. You can select Windows 8. By default it will select, you will see the first one in this space here. You see the first one by default, so you can select, select Linux. So I have selected Linux. Okay, so that's how That is how drop down button, not drop down button, that is how drop down list. That's how to do drop down list in HTML. Okay. So I don't think that there's any need for creating button and doing other thing. This is for drop down list in HTML. Thank you for watching.